got my HomeChef box today. I'm really excited to see what's in it. I don't know what I got this week. I feel like it's going to be a good week with it. I feel like there's not going to be no popping on the pan. And it'll just be pretty easy. So let's just get started on my HomeChef box. That's how you do the first side. And then the other side. And we see what's part of our recipes. We just won't look at it.
Just slide them out to me.
There we go. And then we got another one. There you go. Okay. Hard part. Getting this out. Very hard. We're using crispy onions again this week. No, we've never gotten a pan. That's new.
That's an oven ready meal. It comes with a pan, you have to cook it in and everything. We've gotten it before. You haven't cooked any. The Factor had one.
Oh, it kind of looks like what we had last week with the shrimp. Oh no, did you get it again?
A different type of shrimp taco.
Aw, dang it, no! Oh, we got 2 ready meals.
We did.
Well, at least it's better than 2 shrimp meals.
It's a very busy week, so figured ready meals would be
another hard part. Oh, I see the shrimp. So first we're gonna see what our meats are. But before we do that, we gotta move this out of the way. And we gotta be fragile. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, it comes with the ice pack every single time. Is it pouring juice everywhere? No. Okay, this looks like a chicken tender. Chicken breast. That's what I meant. We're going to use both of the hard parts, taking it out of the box for this meat. The shrimp. And then another chicken breast. We're going to just throw this away because if you can see, it's full of juice down here. That's not good. So, you know what we just noticed? The shrimp got busted getting delivered to us. So, we're going to keep this separate from everything, and I guess we're going to have to cook it tonight so it doesn't get bad. And that just means we can get rid of, well, not get rid of, but get it done with for the first night. I'll still try it and everything, but yeah. Okay. Can we have our recipes, please? Thank you, Magic Hand. Chipotle pesto chicken. This actually looks really good. I want to maybe cook it tonight, even though we already had dinner. Cajun style sassy shrimp tacos. That's a weird name. I don't know how tacos can be sassy. I don't think they can back talk. Swiss crushed chicken.
Swiss crusted
chicken. This is the green. I'm guessing those are green beans. Reminds me of last week for another recipe we did. But we're gonna see which boxes. We're gonna move the chicken out of the way. Okay, let's see what this meal is.
I'll call it out and you put it in the pan as...
Ooh, the pan got bent. That my mom's being superhero.
Alright, this is the Swiss crusted chicken. So you need garlic salt, green beans, Swiss cheese shredded,
both,
honey Dijon mustard dressing, garlic pepper.
Is this? I don't know. This, maybe.
Chicken Dijon. They did name it different on here. Dipping sauce is probably the dressing.
Okay.
Garlic pepper, mayo, and crispy onions. Alright. How do the green beans look?
They look really good.
They look good.
Yep.
Alright. That one is easy and done. And it says it's supposed to take 30 to 45 minutes for that one. I bet you most of it's in the oven time. Okay, your one pan Cajun style sassy shrimp tacos. Those in the back. Alright, pull it
This
all
is
out.
the one with the shrimp.
Oh, you don't say.
Which you could probably hear that in the name, which I did not hear shrimp in the name, and I don't remember reading it.
Corn carniles.
Maybe.
Corn carniles.
Oh, mommy!
1 lime.
I don't know.
1 green bell pepper. 1 shallot. Cajun seasoning. Coleslaw mix.
We need this. Coleslaw.
Make sure you're checking everything as we put it in. Yep. Sour cream. Tortillas. Crispy jalapenos. Jalapenos.
I know how to read
Okay.
jalapenos. I know they start with a P.
J.
Wait, I meant to say J. J is close to P anyway in the alphabet. A, B, C,
Not says Webster.
Ooh.
Cream cheese.
I don't know.
Sliced zucchini.
Oh. Oh.
So these here, I'm gonna show
They
you.
have a big zucchini.
Yeah. So 1, they're busted, but 2, can y'all see? Well, they actually look beautiful on camera, but they're like, you can tell they've been frozen and now they're thawing and they're like all mushy right there. But we have some zucchini, I think. We don't have any that's that big.
No. Not at all. They're like a regular zucchini, not what this
This
piece
is like eggplant zucchini.
Yeah.
So just leave it.
Maybe we should give it to the chickens.
Yeah, we'll give it to the chickens. Just set it to the side.
They have a good treat tonight.
Okay. So, cilantro.
So.
Do you not know what cilantro? Oh my goodness.
No, I have forgotten what all my food is.
Obviously, chili and cumin rub.
I picked that up.
Chipotle pesto.
Maybe.
Ellinor.
I found it. Chipotle.
Chipotle pesto. Corn kernels.
Caramels.
Cotija cheese.
Ooh, they look burnt.
They're fire roasted.
Yuck. And then my favorite cheese. But we'll see y'all tomorrow, and we'll see what I pick.
Alright y'all, so we are rushing to get out the door for church, so our HomeChef box definitely has come in handy for that tonight. So Ellinor is currently making the Swiss crusted chicken, and I just made this 1 pan Cajun style sassy shrimp tacos. You see, the complaint we had last time was that there wasn't quite enough filling for all 3 tortillas. They provide, kind of like in the picture, they're not full when you split it between 3 tacos. But if you do 2 tacos, you have 2 very substantial tacos, and that is perfectly fine with us. We can use that other tortilla for something else, or, I mean, really, the kids will probably just eat the tortilla on the side. But since there are 4 of us tonight, we needed 2 separate meals, or we needed 4 servings. So I made this one. It was super, 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 super easy. The difficulty level on the card obviously says easy. Says that it takes 25 to 35 minutes with prep and everything. This was done in under 15 minutes. Prep was probably 5 minutes, and yeah, it really was. It was done under 15 minutes. So it tastes pretty good. My only real complaint is their bell pepper is very, very bitter, and the Cajun seasoning burned in the pan. So I don't know. The flavoring's okay. It's nothing crazy and sassy like this says, but there's nothing bad and nothing wrong with it. Lots of lime in this coleslaw, but very edible, and it'll fill our bellies. So can't wait to see how Ellinor turns out in just a minute.
I just made the Swiss crushed chicken. I know the chicken looks very pale, but I I checked it just a second ago, and it was at temperature. On here, it shows that the sauce is a little lighter, and I just think it kind of makes it a little. It just doesn't give it that color very much anymore, since the sauce is darker, because it kind of blends in with the crunchy onions. The chicken will be very, very, very cheesy, which that's what my family likes. And we got to cook the green beans in the oven. So let's just get trying the dish. Amazing. Nothing to change. Flat. Amazing. I don't know how to say it, but it's really good. I think the mayo gave it the cream. I think the mayo gave it a lot of creaminess, and I think that's what gives it a lot of flavor as well. But the cheese hits the spot. And now time for the green beans. That was a little hard. The green beans are really, really good. Nothing to change about it, except for the sauce color. But the sauce tastes really good, and I think if it was lighter, that flavor the flavor would be missing. It took about 40 minutes to make. The only reason it's an easy dish is because it was a ready-to-go meal. I didn't really have to do anything. I just had to trim the green beans, and I had to season stuff. Hi everybody, I just made Chipotle pesto chicken. In the process of cooking this, I actually got a little burnt with putting it in the oven, but I'm okay. It just got the tip of my elbow. But anyway, it looks very colorful. We had more zucchini because we went to the store and got 2, so it looks like we have a little bit more greenery, but that's okay, because our greens are very good for us. I think it's really colorful. The difficulty level of it was easy. It actually really was easy. About someone whose stature's age could make this, I think. I'm just really excited to taste it, so let's get tasting. Really good. I feel like it should have a little bit more flavor with something. I don't feel like the sauce gives it enough. It needs to have something more. It's really just like a plain chicken breast that has some sauce on it with a beautiful side. But we're gonna try the zucchini and the corn now. The zucchini and corn has a lot of flavor. I feel like I might have got too much of it, but I think we should tone down on some of the cilantro. Cilantro gives a lot of things a really high amount of flavor, and if you just have too much, it doesn't make it taste too good. So I'm going to take another bite to see how it is with just like one pretty small leaf of some cilantro. So I think it actually tastes better with a little bit more. I think it tastes a little bit better with more cilantro than just like a little leaf of it. Maybe just have like a few pieces of, just a little bit of it on every bite or something. I think this is a keeper. We just need to see what we can, what's that word?
Improve?
Not improve, contribute, I think.
Contribute? Mm-hmm.
Contribute some more flavor with the chicken or the sauce. But this was our last dish for HomeChef for this week. And we'll see you next week.